2011 Infiniti G37 all-wheel drive, sitting at 84,000 miles. There's an interesting sound that I can't figure out. I don't know if it's coming from just outside the firewall or if it's actually coming from inside the firewall. So I don't know if it's engine. It only happens in drive when the engine is bearing down a little bit with lower RPMs. Let's see if I can duplicate this, see if you can hear it. Sounds metallic. If I give it gas, it goes away. Maybe it's a heat shield underneath. But it more than like an engine that's knocking or failing, it almost sounds like maybe it's a heat shield. I'm going to put it in neutral to go away. I'm going to put it back in drive. Kind of sounds like it's dieseling. It's kind of annoying. I hope there's nothing major, but we'll see.